Hello Paul, it's Rob here at Vos Motors, taking this video especially for you of this 2018 Yamaha Super Tenere. This is a ES model. It has only almost 1800 kilometers and the price is 16,488. It's way cheaper than the brand new one and it is almost new. It was purchased here originally and the first service was done here as well. As you see, it comes with the black matching saddlebags and guards. This bike has the cruise control. This bike has heated grips. It's loaded with electronic suspension. Here we go. If you have any questions regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. The bike is in absolutely perfect condition. Let me know please.